We are unboxing our new Comline DV5 camshaft module, which is part of the CCM001. This is for the 1.5 litre diesel engines that are fitted into Citroën, DS, Fiat, Ford, Peugeot and Toyota. The unit is supplied with the latest generation 8mm Oxycoat chain. This is suitable to replace any units with 8mm pitch chains or retrofit any 7mm pitch chains for the earlier engines. Opening the box reveals best practice information in multiple languages, recommending to change the oil and filter every 10,000 kilometers or 6,000 miles. In this kit we have the RTV silicone required to seal the module to the cylinder head. Comline's packaging is designed to be informative, showing not only the sequence to tighten the bolts from 1 to 18, but also shows the tightening stages. The first stage is 3 Newton meters and the second stage is 10 Newton meters. Lifting the panel reveals the Comline pre-lube oil, which is to be applied to the timing chain and camshaft lobes. Removing the module reveals the base of the box, showing a schematic of the silicone bead position and recommended bead width. Putting the box to one side, we can open the packet of seals. All kit components are displayed on the box for you to check. We have the 4 tooled copper injector washers, the 4 rubber to metal bonded injector seals, the 4 rocker gasket profile seals, 1 profile seal and 1 additional O-ring. Moving on to the second packet, we have 2 seals for the vacuum pump. If we now look at the module itself, you can see that it is packaged in a recyclable outer bag. For extra protection, the module is also enclosed in bubble wrap. Each module is marked for traceability. The camshaft seal is fitted along with the rubber metal core plug and breather pipe to save workshop time. Turning the module over, you can see the 8mm timing chain. Closer inspection shows the camshaft timing marks are aligned with the black timing chain links. The cylinder head to module contact surface finish is cross-hatched to promote RTV silicone adhesion. During transportation, the light oil used to lubricate the camshafts and chain mechanism during assembly may have migrated to the cylinder head contact surface. Be sure to clean thoroughly before applying the Comline RTV silicone. Saving workshop time, cutting labour costs and increasing productivity, Comline pre-assembled camshaft modules are now available.